Indiscipline among students. Disciplined students are the assets for his country. So every student is expected to be well disciplined. He should study well. He should respect his elders. He should respect the law and order of his nation. He should spend most of his time in creative activities. He should try to become an asset for his nation. But reality is far from this. Unfortunately, some students have become very indisciplined these days. They have started giving less importance to studies. They spend time in nefarious acts. They don't respect their teachers. They have lost faith in their educational institutes. As a result, they damage public properties. They go on strikes. There are many reasons behind such behavior of the students. They don't get satisfaction from their syllabus. Most of our subjects are theoretical. The students don't enjoy studying them. There is also a lack of vocational courses. The students don't see career prospects in the subjects they study. The relationship between a teacher and a student is also not like that of the past. The teachers just complete their syllabus. They are not bothered if the students have understood it or not. Many students join politics. They start losing interest in studies. All of these factors lead to rise in indiscipline among students. Due to some selfish leaders, some students get misguided. At the end, it can be said that our education system needs a revision. There should be more communication between students and teachers. The involvement of the students into politics should be limited. The duty of the students is to study. He should spend most of his time in studies. He shouldn't waste his time useless things. With all these efforts, the causes of indiscipline among students will surely decrease. Thanks.